Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm new and this is only my fourth video. The first two were a disaster and I've been watching videos, listening and learning, and hopefully this one will be better. Anyway, my name is Traze, and in my last video I said that I had an announcement to make, and I do. And at the end of this video, we're going to be having a giveaway. So when this video is done, stay tuned, and I'll show you everything you can win. I hope you enjoy it. On with the projects. Okay, so these pictures I'm showing you now are where I got my inspiration. That first picture of the flower wall decor was $35 at Wayfair. These pillows can run you up to $50, and we're making stuff for $3 and $4. Okay, so I started this project out with a frame, some fall flowers from Dollar Tree, some paint sticks, this wheat wrap I found in the garage, my glue gun, some Waverly chalk paint. And what I do is I take the whole frame apart. I take the glass out and I start painting the frame. I paint the frame and the sticks all white, front and back. The sticks I cut 8.5 by 14.5. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the size of the frame. The sticks are cut 13 3/4 by 6 3/4. So I end up doing 2 coats on this. I don't know why this chalk paint is not covering this frame very good, but I do 2 coats on it. I do believe I only painted the frame in the front, but I do paint the sticks front and back. So I start to put everything back together, and I take the backing that came with the frame and I glue it to the very back piece of the frame, because I want the white to be behind this wheat wrap. It's so pretty. I don't know where you get it. I don't know what it is. I've never seen it before, but it's very nice. So then I take my glass and I put it back in. And the reason I did the paint sticks is because I wanted to make like a shadow box. And I didn't want to pay an outrageous price for one, so I made my own. So I put a little glue in each corner and I glue this back in the frame because I want that to be on the top. Then I take the backing and I glue all 3 flowers down. No particular order, really. I kind of just put the darker one in the middle. And then I put that aside and I start to build my shadow box. So here you'll see me, I just use my glue gun and I glue the shorter pieces to the longer ones and make a box. Pretty easy. This is really an easy project. It may look like I'm having a hard time, but I'm really not. So after my glue is dry, then I'm going to take my flowers and just lay them on the top of the shadow box. I try to straighten them out a little bit so that the middle isn't covered. And then I'm going to proceed to cut off the extra little wheat that's hanging out. There go the little strings. Okay, so for my next project, I'm going to be making a spice rack. The hardest thing about this is the measurements. So I'm going to give them to you. The rulers are, they are 11 and a half is one, and the other one is 8 inches. These pieces are 8 3/4, 11 1/4, and 6 inches. This piece is 22 and a half. These are optional. You can use bought brackets or make them. I'm going to use E6000 and my glue gun. I don't think I use the tacky glue gun. Some hooks, some screws, a couple nails. And I don't think I told you that bottom piece is 11 1/4 and the middle piece is 8 and 3/4. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is paint all my pieces. I paint the tops and the bottoms of every piece. The next thing I'm going to do is nail in my brackets. I use screws to screw the top part in, and I use nails to screw the little triangle in. Okay. Then I start to assemble the sides and the bottom and the little shelf. I just use E6000 and my glue gun to put it all together. And then I put the hooks in the top, and I want to show you that one of my pieces was too small. We do make mistakes. So I had to cut another piece and That's why it's not painted. So then I'm just going to show you how I'm going to hang these 3 utensils from these 3 hooks. And then I hang the shelf and the other piece on the other hooks. Okay, so here are the projects after they're finished. Here's my fall flower wall decor. I think it turned out quite pretty. And my spice rack. This I love. This was a little more work than usual, but the measurements are half the battle. Okay, guys, so here it is. Here's everything that's going to be in the giveaway. You know, $1 goes a long way at the Dollar Tree. We have 2 of these plaques, 2 picks, this door hanging, 2 of these mesh rolls, a few of these pumpkins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another pick with cotton, 2 rolls of ribbon, a couple glass pumpkins back there. We have these 2 plaques, 2 of these buffalo check signs, and this chalkboard sign. And we also have these little pumpkin clips, 2 of those. Okay, so I hope you're excited about this. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment with your name. And I will be picking next Saturday. I believe the date is the 24th. I will check and get back with you. But that's when I'll be announcing the name, guys. I'm excited. Are you? Thank you for watching my channel, and I really appreciate you. That's why I'm doing this. Somebody gave me this suggestion, and I thought it was a great idea. Thanks.